How to stop notifications on Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the System category. In the right sidebar, select Notifications. Under the Notifications section, you will find various options to manage your notifications. To stop notifications entirely, toggle off the Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders option. This will disable all notifications from appearing on your Windows 11 system. If you want your notification will be sent to Notification Center instead of showing in your screen, then toggle on the Do Not Disturb option. You can also set it as a timer. If you only want to stop notifications from specific apps, scroll down under the Notifications from Apps and Other Senders section. You can individually toggle off the notifications for each app listed. And that's how you can stop notifications on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.